Hi guys, this is Glowworm Gang here. So this is the Goodman packaged air conditioner. It's turned off right now, so I can get this to turn on, which is a startup. So the only thing I don't like about package units is that they just come with a return vent and ductwork and that's it. I really don't like that. So I'm thinking of replacing this with a Rheem or train central air with air handler. So I literally heard it outside. Well, yeah. Once I reached in the bathroom, it was starting up. So let me show you before we turn this on. Goodman. It's a Goodman, by the way. It's a package unit. Yeah, I don't like it. Ah! Sorry, it's just a spider. So inside we have, it's a 4-bladed fan. And this is the biggest compressor. So before we start this thing up, so let me explain to you real quick. I did the pane air conditioner back in April and May. I did the air handler on the outside unit. I did the air handler in May. I did the original air handler that we had. And I did the pane air conditioner, which is air handler, which is running on cool mode. And I did the white noise. In August, I did the carrier air handler startup and shut down in the hotel room we were staying in. And I did the HVAC heaven of 19 Bryant's running. And back in September, I did the Rheem air handler on cool mode. I didn't do its heating season yet, but I will because I'm moving it till December. Right now it's on delay. So in October, I did the Whirlpool window/room air conditioner, which is in the garage. And right now I'm doing the Goodman package unit. It was on delay for quite a while. And by the way, I don't really like package units, like I've said before. So I'm deciding to replace this with a train and a Rheem. Sorry. So back in a few weeks, right before the Thanksgiving break, I did the startup and shutdown of 2 carrier air handlers at the same hotel we're staying in. So, yeah. So, I'm going to put the phone over here. So, we're going to start it up. And I'll do shutdown. So, it's going to be a startup, run, and shutdown. So, my dad is probably coming soon. So, I'll be right back. I'll head inside first so I can turn this on. So, yeah. Here we go. Sorry it took so long. So this is what the Goodman package unit started up. I like the sound of the compressor, and I like the way it sounds. It sounds like a commercial unit, except it's the package unit. So this is what it looks like when it's running. Sorry it took so long. So this is what it looks like when it's running. Logo's Goodman. This is what it looks like inside that. Sorry, spider web. You have to move. So I'm not doing the inside unit because there's no air handler in there, though. I think it's all right. So this is where the return vent is inside. There's no air handler, so yeah. Let me explain this real quick so I can give this some time to run. Anyways, for the Rheem air handler on heat mode, I'm doing it this December. I'm probably going to be doing it, which is, I don't know when because it's heating season and I haven't done it in October yet. So I'm going to give this some time to run. So for that, I'm doing the Rheem air handler for heat mode, and I'm doing the heating season, yes. So the air conditioner inside, outside of our house, in the backyard, won't be on, because air conditioners don't run on heat mode, while heat pumps do. So, oh, we got a shutdown. Nice. We got a shutdown. Anyways, that's the quick startup and shutdown. As I told you, the thermostat will turn on and we'll have the unit turn on too. So let's watch the spin down. It takes a while for it to spin down. Yes, inside it has a fan motor, fan, and a compressor. Nice. Yeah, I got it shut down. Let me show you. Yeah, it takes a little while for it to spin down. Yeah, for air conditioners, it just turns off. And the air handler turns off second. Wait for it, it's about to stop. Anyways, so, oh, I'm coming. Anyways, thanks for watching. Glowworm Gang, out.